Today we'll have 5 odds or 6 odds. It's AC Milan versus Napoli. They just say over 7.5 corners. Second one is Real Madrid against Chelsea. Also there says over 7.5 corners. It's Golden Arrows versus Sundowns. Just say Sundowns in the draw. Marumo Galats against Chippa United. Just say Marumo in the draw. National City National versus Braga. Just say Braga in the draw. The third one is EL Dudley versus Keramical. Just give Keramical in the draw. Gazli EL Mala versus Future. Just give Future in the draw. NK Slaven Pelupo versus HNK Split. Just give Split in the draw. Olympiacos versus AEAK Anthens. Just give handicaps of 2 goals to Olympiacos. The third one, it's San Lorenzo versus Boca Juniors. Just give handicaps of 2 goals to Boca Juniors. Landyfield versus Gletoren FC. Just give Landyfield in the draw. Thanks for today. It's our 5 odds for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.